Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare salmon with steamed broccoli. Ingredients you need for this recipe are salmon cut into fillet size, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, cooking oil to drizzle, broccoli 3 cups and water to steam. Wash the salmon in cold water and set aside. Let's add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, red chili powder, turmeric, salt, oil to drizzle and mix well. Set aside for 5 minutes. Heat a saucepan and add oil to it. Now we are going to add the salmon pieces facing downwards. In about 5 minutes, we will start turning the fillets and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Let's steam the broccoli in microwave for 3 minutes and sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Here we have salmon and broccoli ready to serve.